E. Ceiling mount long movable slide bracket installation method. The position of the long movable slide bracket on the projector screen. Prepare for the installation of the long bracket. Tools required: hammer, tape measure, marker, pen, ladder, electric drill, impact drill, laser level, expansion bolts, long movable slide bracket. Install the long movable slide bracket. The long movable slide bracket that can be slid according to your needs. Locate the center point of the projector screen. Measure the wall's center point. Turn on the laser level and activate the laser beam. Align the laser line with the wall's center point, then project the vertical line onto the ceiling to locate its center point. Ceiling center point. Mounted on wooden beams. Maintain a distance of 2 to 4 inches from the wall to allow sufficient space. Locate the ceiling joists, position the long bracket accordingly. Projector screen directly using self-tapping screws. Installation complete. The example demonstrates concrete ceiling installation only. Installed in concrete. In this demonstration, we recommend a spacing of 15 centimeters. Adjust according to your actual conditions. Measure the hole spacing between the 2 long movable slide brackets. Maintain a distance of 2 to 4 inches from the wall to allow sufficient space. Based on the measured spacing between the 2 long movable slide brackets, mark the drilling positions on the ceiling using a marker. Install the expansion threaded hook. Drill holes. First, hammer expansion screws into drilled holes. First, tighten the nuts, clockwise. The purpose is to ensure the expansion sleeve or tube fully expands and secures firmly. Then, loosen the nuts, counterclockwise, to prepare for subsequent installation of the adjustable long bracket. Install the projector screen. Ensure 2 people and 2 ladders are ready before starting. Do not proceed without them. 2 people should work together to lift the screen onto the ladders. Then, climb the ladders and hang the screen. One person supports the projection screen, while the other tightens the nuts on both expansion bolts. Secure the nuts evenly on both sides to complete the installation. For the wall side installation where access is limited, a T-handle socket wrench can be used.